Recent progress in applied linguistics. Applied linguistics is an interdisciplinary subject and has wide development prospects. It occupies an irreplaceable important position in contemporary linguistics and especially for its practicability value. It's of great value. It answers questions, solves problems. So development trends of applied linguistics. So applied linguistics studies has developed to the stage of cognitive theory and social constructivist theory. So these are two main focuses at present: cognitive theory that like to discuss the problem solving, decision making and understanding of the child, how a child develop all these faculties, and obviously constructivist theory of given by Vygotsky. Cognitive theory school plays an important promotion role for development of applied linguistics. So it gives practical solutions to the problem of language learning. It advocates learners' learning subjectivity and creativity and considers language study is an active activity process. It's not a passive process. The learners have to provide activity. It's an action-based learning. However, there are certain shortcomings in cognitive theory, and constructivist theory in this regard comes forward and meets the shortcomings of the cognitive theory. It stresses equal importance of social environment and cultural knowledge and holds knowledge acquisition is the result of learners' contact and interaction in specific social environment. So it believes that unless the learner is having a practical contact with the environment around, the learning does not fruitfully takes place. So this is what that it tries to cover those flaws left by the cognitive theory. It has great enlightenment on linguistics, teaching, practice, and theoretical teaching, and provides a new opportunity for applied linguistics development. So it provides the constructivist theory and both cognitive theory under the umbrella of applied linguistics gives help to the linguists, to the teachers, to the language policy makers, that how they can map out a learning environment for the learners, giving them a practical approach to language learning.